Hi! In front of me is OPPO A77s, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. First of all, you need to open one of your apps that you wish to use on the top half of your screen, like Play Store. Then access background apps. Following that, just click on those three dots at the top right corner of your app and hit split screen. Now select the other one, and as you can see, finally I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards or downwards and select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!